Hey, good morning, everybody. Dan Rawich here. So, it's Tuesday morning, about 10 a.m., and I've got a call at 11. I don't know how many people are going to be able to make that call first day back. So Dust opened up well against us. It's currently up 8%, $3.24. Um, it's getting very, very toppy. However, it was toppy before, and it still moved up. It still moved against us. So how much more will it move against us? We don't know. So there's a couple choices. Number one is sit tight. We're currently down about $130 depending on where you got into the position. And if you sit tight, you have to decide that you're willing to see it go as bad as 200, 225, somewhere in there. That could happen, could continue to sell off before it comes back. That's probably our most profitable choice, but it's probably also the highest risk choice because it could just stay above. Our break even was about 41, so we're now about almost $2 above break even. The second choice, which is probably my favorite and the one I would opt for, is to roll the contract. Our current contract is expires on the 19th of October, and we've got the $45 call and the uh, we own the 45 and we're short the 40. And so this is kind of what this deal would look like if we started it today. Right now, the new deal, we would get it's a debit trade, about a buck 50, and but the most important thing here is we raise our break even to 48.50. That's almost $6. I just don't see that happening. We're going to give up most of our gain here, but we actually will still come out of this with a profit if it stays below $48. That's my vote right now, mostly because you guys are new, and I'm sure this is scary, and I don't want you guys to, think about taking a loss of $200 at this young time when in the beginning all we've done is focus on these little bitty trades with 30, 40, $50 profits at a time. All of a sudden 200 looks like what traders call a black swan event. I don't want that to happen right now. So my vote is to roll it, and here's what the roll looks like. And if, again, all of these systems have a way to do this. Oh shoot, it changed this on me. Well, I'm just going to start over then. I want to show you what this looks like. So if we go into our positions, and you can see gold is highlighted. If I right click it, I hit the rollout dust, and there's the current position. And what I'm proposing is we roll it out to a 51.47. I think that's what we had on the other page. Let's just double check that. Oh, and we are going to roll it to December. So we have lots of time for this thing to go up if it has to and then come down again. So that currently creates a debit of about 70 cents. So for 70 cents, we're taking a losing position, 70 bucks, and we're rolling it forward 2 months and raising our break even to 48. So all in all, that's pretty good. I just want to go back and check and see that's what I did here. It keeps changing my numbers. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to pause this real quick. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Schwab wiped out the work I had done. Luckily, I had notes. Okay, so 51.47, that's what the new trade's going to look like. And what this in effect does is it raises our max gain by 60 bucks and it lowers our max loss by like 150 bucks. So all in all, it's a safer trade. It's just further out. It's just going to take us more time to realize the gain. And we won't really see this 150 gain because with the rollout, we're going to give back about 130 of it. But we do turn a position that's currently down 130 to a position that's up about 30. That seems like a good trade to me. So here's what it looks like again. Yay, they left it there. So this is about a 78-cent debit trade. That's what we're going to shoot for. On the best case, we'd get a credit of like, I think 10 cents or something. And on the worst case, the debit would be, let's see, that's 880 minus 99, $1.10. So let's kind of go in here at a limit debit, right? Let's see, 7, 840, and 918. Yep, this is a debit. So it's a limit debit at 85 cents. That just moved that fast. Wow. Okay, that's all right. 85 cents. We'll put that in there. And this stock is all over the place. Chances are we will get filled today. Hang on here. I'm just going to place this so you guys can see what I'm doing. Review the order. So we're buying to close the 40, we're selling to close the 45, and then we're turning around and we're selling to open a 47 into December, and we're buying to open a 51 into December. So that's the net cost for this trade. I think it's worth it. I think it buys us time and takes some pressure off us. All right, so I'll place that order. And okay, that's it. So as always, let me know if you have questions, and we'll be on this call and we'll talk about this more in depth. Thanks, guys. Bye.